Are you excited that today is the last day of the sew along and we are going to be completing our swimsuit by attaching the straps? Let's get going. Fold the strap right sides together and sew with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Turn the strap right sides out using a safety pin or bodkin. Insert the elastic into the strap using a safety pin and top stitch in place. Pin the strap to the swimsuit using the markings and sew it securely in place. And your swimsuit is done! Please share with us what you have made in our Facebook group, and thank you for joining us on this awesome sewing journey. I cannot wait to see what you have made. Goodbye!